Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The new O.M.R.A TC5 meat grinder is a versatile and robust device, ideal for domestic use. Equipped with a 370W motor, it offers good performance thanks to its rotation speed of 1,400 revolutions per minute. The single-phase structure ensures energy efficiency and stable operation. The aluminum auger contributes to the device's durability and longevity, while the stainless steel knife and 6mm plate ensure precise and long-lasting cuts. The new O.M.R.A TC5 features a 4-pole system, allowing the motor to operate with fewer vibrations and greater stability, ensuring more even meat processing. The compact and solid design of the meat grinder makes it easy to place in any work environment. This electric meat grinder offers an ideal balance of power and ease of use, making it an excellent ally for preparing ground meat, sausages, and other meat products. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.